So they decide to postpone the budget speech, something that has never been seen ever since 1994. And the reason why they are postponing the budget speech is because they are disagreeing about how much poverty they must put us through. The DA and the ANC are disagreeing about how much poverty they must inflict, how much more suffering they must inflict on us. Neither of the both sides is crying for the people and crying for the suffering that is going to be brought by this budget that this GNU government is bringing to us. When Cyril Ramaphosa became president, the first thing he did was to increase the VAT from 14% to 15%. He did that in less than 2 months of him being in power. Now he is coming back with the DA, and we are hearing allegations that the budget that they are going to present or the postponed budget was seeking to increase the VAT with a further 2%, increasing it from 15 to 17%. Meanwhile, there are also other austerity measures that this budget is bringing. It is very, very, very tricky or very, very, very difficult for anyone to see how any of these actions that are done by these people seek to make lives of ordinary people better. The fact that the ANC and the DA can disagree with each other and then cause the budget to be postponed just shows that there are other nefarious hands at play that are not part of government. Why did they not present the budget in parliament up for debate? Why do they have to continue with the secrecy in this budget? This budget is going to bring a lot of austerity measures, a lot of budget cuts for very important things that people need. The GNU is going to suck us dry.